My name is April. I am a sales coordinator here at Guardian. I've been here for 7 months. A typical day at Guardian is fast-paced, prioritizing calls, prioritizing tasks, checking emails, helping technicians with their requests. What I like most about working with Guardian is you're constantly learning. Every day is something new. You have a new customer, a new request, just helping customers. I received a call from a customer. She was really frustrated. She was having a leak in her roof. She reached out to us. She needed a day appointment. Unfortunately, we did not have a same-day appointment. I told her I would schedule her for her soonest availability. We were very fortunate to have an opening. I called her back, got her on the schedule for the same day. She was extremely happy and left us a review. Culture at Guardian is friendly, it's positive, it's rewarding. You definitely feel welcome when you start. It's definitely teamwork. Everybody here is so supportive. When you ask for help, everyone is able to help you, and that's amazing. Support from the management is great. I always feel that I have my manager able to help me with anything that I come across, and that is really amazing to have that. And that's why I love working here at Guardian.